in case you want to go back and listen to this warm up. It's going to have a soundtrack to it. So, you want to tell me how to solve this one while we're at it?
Is this the time so far?
Hey, so how do I solve again? I'm looking at your notes, you should know. Subtract 4. The whole point is to get x by itself, so we can subtract 4. And if, unlike on your homework, the only variable is in the middle, if that happens, then you can just keep them together and solve them. That's an actual thing you're allowed to do, which is kind of cool. So what is 2 minus 4? Negative 2 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 0. How would you graph such a lovely thing? Well, you have to number it. We got to number it. Probably what number? 0. 0 is usually an important number.
Probably like -5 to +5, something like that.
Doesn't matter. You can, in all honesty, as long as you have 0 on a number line, you can kind of jump around to whatever you need to.
So -2 is going to be a closed circle.
Why is this a closed circle?
Because it has a
little line. That little line right there.
Yeah.
But this guy right here,
It's going to be open.
he's an open circle. We don't, 0 is not a possible answer for this situation. Only things smaller than 0, but bigger than 2. This basically effectively says in between -2 and 0. If the word in between makes more sense in your head. What about interval notation?
So they're both going left.
You're going from
Oh, wait, what?
-2 to 0.
Oh. Wait, you can just do it like that. Wait,
What kind of brackets do I need?
Oh, I forgot this.
This versus this.
The circle one.
No.
The rectangular.
Actually, you want each. You do. These guys mean it's a hard stop. You hit that number. Which of these numbers is part of the solution? -2. We hit -2. That's a hard stop. Okay? But we never really get to 0. It's like a nice little cushion. We can have -0.5 or -0.2 or -0.001. We're never going to quite get to 0. Okay?
Alright.
Cool. Okay?
So that's correct.
That is correct. Cool? So, we got that one. How about this one? Subtract what? 3? You subtract 3 on both sides. Okay. 8n is less than or equal to 8n. Okay? Then what?
Divide by 8.
So this is something that a lot of people do and it ends up messing them up. I'm going to tell you right now, whenever I have variables on both sides, I bring the variable over first. How would I move this variable?
Subtract.
Okay. Because then at least the variable is on one side, or in this case, it's gone.
So there's
We'll put that back through.
Is 3 greater than or less, or greater than or equal to 3?
Oh,
Yeah,
so you
it's
can
equal.
It can be equal, but not
Is
or.
3 greater than or equal to 3? Is that true?
Yeah, just do it. Check. So I can,
So what are my possible solutions then? What values can I put into n to end up with a true solution?
0.
Anything I want.
Oh, infinite solution.
So I was right.
Can we just do the symbol for all real numbers?
Ooh, this anti-R? Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, that's good. What would it look like on a number line? You gotta at least have 0. It's just everything. It's just everything. It's from what to what?
Negative to positive infinity.
Negative infinity to positive infinity. Hard brackets or soft brackets?
Soft.
Infinity and negative infinity always get soft brackets. But they're not actually numbers. They're not even numbers, they're just concepts. Okay? They're concepts, so we give them a symbol. Alright? Is that cool? So in your notes you had one that was no solution, correct? And now you've got a nice example of all real numbers. It's just whether this is true or false. Okay? Cool? Questions, comments, concerns? Meaning of life? Meaning of life? How do you 42? Oh. You know that. Oh. How do you tell which number is like a hard number and which one